Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Neno effect on Viva Video apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Viva Video apps, and after this, in here you just click on the new project, and then in here you can add the photo you wanted to edit. Maybe this photo, so you just click on it. And after this, in here, just click on the next at the bottom. And now, if you wanna add a nano effect, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the So you just click on the effect at the bottom. This one. Click on it. And after this, in here, you just click on the nano. And then in here you can see many effect on the nano effect. You can choose the nano effect that you want. Maybe this one, this one, this one, this one, or anything else. But in here I wanna try to add this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the down this one. And after this, you can export the video. So that's how to add nano effect on Viva Video apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.